This is actually the culvert where the explosion happened inside here. So you can see the gas explosion, what actually happened here with the tar. All the services are pretty screwed. So it goes about 250 meters up there. Oh, thank you, sir. Yeah, so we did send the drone inside there, and you can see a longitudinal crack running on the soffit of this culvert slab. It's a 150 millimeter concrete. You can see the binding is still in place. Yeah, you can see how we struggled to get that manhole open. We dropped the drone in here, so a huge amount of methane still